I know I said this on the live stream earlier, guys, but Billy Betts is just about to start cooking. I'll pull up the X page right now, but it is the sports betting. So for those that are familiar with Bankr, you guys know what you could do with Bankr. Just obviously talking on the timeline with Billy Betts, he's literally like the AI agent that you can speak to and place bets with everything, like from football, basketball, baseball to fucking, badminton in Singapore. And Bread was on with us this morning. They just migrated over to base. The team was super generous enough to donate $100. We gave $50 away of it earlier this morning with OBL live on the stream. And yeah, this is one to watch. And I know I said this on the live stream earlier, guys, but Billy Betts is just about to start cooking. Like, this is one of those things where, listen, I'll say this again. Everyone is free to do whatever they want with the tokens that they get. You can cheat, you can sell, take out the dollars. It's up to you. But when you're looking at this at a $4 or $5 million market cap, think about where Bankr was about a year ago. And shout out to Viper when Viper put us on. And we were talking about Bankr in our chat when it was literally, it was nothing. It was 2, 3, 4 million, exactly where Billy Betts is now. So just to give everybody scope, but yeah.